Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Condition as to quality or fitness. Generally, there is no implied condition as to quality or fitness of the good for a particular purpose in a contract of sale. It is the duty of the buyer to ensure that he buys goods suitable to his needs, are of right quality and free from defects. Seller is not responsible if the buyer finds that the goods do not satisfy the purposes for which he intended to buy the goods. Seller is normally not bound to disclose any faults to the goods to the buyer. Exception. Following are the exception to the above rules, in which case seller is responsible if the following requirements are fulfilled. Buyer informing the purpose. The buyer expressly or by implication makes known to the seller the particular purpose for which he requires the goods. The seller would be held liable if the goods do not suit to the particular purpose for which he buys the goods. However, if the buyer does not mention the purpose for which the goods would be used, the seller cannot be held liable if the goods do not suit the particular purpose for which he buys the goods. Seller exercising his judgment and skill. The seller exercises his judgment and skill and suggests that the good will suit to the buyer's purpose. Abnormality. If the buyer purchasing an article to a particular use is suffering from an abnormality or inherent defect which is not disclosed to the buyer. Trade name. If the buyer purchases goods under a trade name, that is brand name, the implied condition that articles are fit for a particular purpose shall not apply if the circumstances show that the buyer relied on the brand name. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.